Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Excel not responding without closing. If your Microsoft Excel is not responding but you don't want to close it to avoid losing unsaved data, here are practical ways to try to recover and fix Excel without forcing a close. So the first method is you have to wait for the Excel to respond. Often Excel may be busy processing a large formula, complex calculation or operation. The first step is wait patiently for a few minutes. Excel might start responding again on its own. When you see the not responding message at the title bar, do not force close immediately. Sometimes window will offer a prompt like wait for the program to respond. Choose this option. And the second method is you have to press the ESC key on your keyboard repeatedly to give it a gentle try. This can sometimes stop an ongoing process of formula evaluation, allowing Excel to regain responsiveness. And the next method is you have to use Control and Break, that means pause key, to interrupt the execution. If your keyboard has a break key, press the Control and Break, that means the pause, to interrupt any running macro or long calculation. This is effective if Excel is stuck in the macro or looping operation. And the next method is you can open Excel in the safe mode but in the next time. While this won't fix the current freeze, running Excel in the safe mode can prevent add-ons or external conflict from causing future hangs. So you need to go to the search bar and type run. When it is open, you need to type excel.exe/safe. Tap on OK. It will open Excel in the safe mode. Or you can disable or remove problematic add-ons on your Excel application. So to do that, go to File, then after go to Options, tap on Add-ons. On the bottom you need to tap on drop down, tap on Com Add-ins, tap on Go. Untick all the add-ons from here like this, tap on OK. And next method, you can try to reduce workbook complexity or break large operation. If you are performing large formulas, volatile functions or complex links can cause Excel to hang, try to breaking up the large calculation into smaller step or copy and paste value temporarily. And the next method is you need to monitor CPU and memory usage. Or you can simply right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager. Okay, find the Excel from this process menu. Okay, you can see it is right here. Check if the Excel is using 100% of the CPU from in this menu. If yes, you need to close other applications to give the Excel to the more amount of CPU. So it will do the calculation fastly then. As an example, if you are using other application like Firefox in this time, tap on End Task to close that one. So these are the methods you can try to Excel not responding without closing. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.